Okay, listen to me.
Yes.
Your point is exactly in that way on the left, but it's impossible for me because we have to keep going on and turn around. So,
You can draw
yes,
us here.
because it's exactly this one.
Okay, no problem,
And
no problem.
I can't turn around.
No
Okay?
problem, my friend, no problem, my friend. Can we get out here?
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.
ciao. Okay, we tap, okay, perfect.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
Bye.
ciao.
Ciao. Давай пойдем. Так, это вот этот вот.